Will the short trend of U.S. stocks bring down Bitcoin? If you are interested in this issue, please follow me and let's take a look. Currently, I still hold a short order of Ethereum worth $200,000 on Bybit, and Bitcoin is worth $100,000. If you add up the profits from short orders in US dollars, there is a profit of nearly $4,000. If you also think this profit is very good, you are very welcome. You can click the Bybit link or the BitGet link below my video. Now you only need KYC to get BitGet. I will give you a trial fee of $20. Bybit will give you $30 in cash as long as you register and deposit $100 as a new user KYC. And you can withdraw the coins directly. You are very welcome. You can watch my video yesterday. This video yesterday was very good. I am honored to interview him because he is a very famous person in the currency circle. He lost all his assets in 2017 when Bitcoin was $900. In fact, there is currently a very bearish signal on the US stock market that Bitcoin will follow this wave of signals and then break down together. Let's take a look at the situation of the US stock market. This is the S&P 500 index. You can see it. At present, it has become a very clear trend on the daily line. The top pattern of head and shoulders is of course a short signal, and we can measure it from this top pattern. Although this method is indeed very basic, rough and simple, it is also we can roughly estimate what his target price will be if we break through it. Looking at it from the weekly line, this level is still a bit too small. If we look at it from the daily line, the level is too small. From the weekly line, we can find that this target is the price is probably at the upper edge of our early stage, which is the position of 41.4050. In fact, at the top of our wave, I think it is not enough to reverse the accumulation of such a large box below us. Therefore, if our Bitcoin breaks down next, I think this long trend will not be destroyed. However, it will have a relatively deep callback, and it will most likely be at 41.40. There will be very strong support at 50. We all know that in fact, Bitcoin has been following the US stock market more and more recently in recent years. If the US stock market breaks down, I believe that Bitcoin will do the same. If there is any action, look at it on the daily line. As long as Bitcoin has not broken through the previous high of about $28,200, I will continue to look for short selling opportunities. What about this kind of short selling opportunity? I look for it. It is short on the left side, that is, I will find a position with a better price on the left to go short. Because we are currently in the process of going short and going short. We can find a better position, such as the opportunity to rebound or to go short at a high position. If we break through short, the price will not be so good, but it doesn't matter. We can add positions, but as long as the price of Bitcoin has not exceeded 28,200, then I personally will only look for short positions on the left. Or I will only look for opportunities to go short or add positions when there is a breakthrough. From the current point of view, Bitcoin is blocked at this position of $26,800. If it is blocked, or at this position, the resistance he successfully generated. I also think it is a very good point to add positions. Of course, I have already added positions, so I will not add positions at this position. You can see that we are in the previous places. They all have a very clear effect of generating resistance. Of course we can't go up now. If we say it goes up, then the part of adding positions may have to reduce the position first. My current price is around 27,000. It's very close to 27,000. So at least I can protect my capital on this order. If it goes up to around 27,000, then I'll leave. But as long as it hasn't broken through the previous high position, I will still maintain it. I am short, or I choose the opportunity to wait for the opportunity to go short. We have talked about it before. We have been going for 38 days. In fact, I would think that we must make a move within these 17 to 18 days. If it breaks 25,000, otherwise the advantage of the short side will gradually be lost, so in fact, there is not much time. It will take about 3 weeks. In 2 or 3 weeks, we must see a break below. Otherwise, the advantage of the short side will be gone. From an hour's perspective, it can be found that he has gradually converged upwards. In fact, our current fluctuations are so small, I think it is meaningless to interpret it because it is a holiday now, so he itself has no fluctuations. If we interpret it excessively, on the contrary, it will affect our judgment. However, if he makes a breakthrough, for example, if he makes a breakthrough between 1 and 5, I personally will still be very likely to add some more to my short order. Then we can go back to 4 hours. We can find that if we turn on VPPR, we can find that basically our energy is accumulated inside the box. If you pull it, it will accumulate at 26,800 until the lower edge is 25,600 at this position. As long as we haven't returned to 26,800, I personally feel that my short order is very safe. Especially if we fall below the lower edge of the box again and return to about 25,600. I personally will still stay here. We added another position at 24750 and then added another position when it fell below the previous low. Let's take a look at our strategy for this wave. Did it run smoothly? Thank you very much. You are very welcome to join my KCGI team. Last year, KCGI was the largest team and the largest team in the world. Everyone is welcome to join our team. Currently, there is a prize pool of $2.5 million on BitGet, which is quite large. We are still signing up now. I will provide the link of the team. I put it under the pinned message of the video. I welcome everyone to join my team. Thank you very much. Goodbye.